This one tool helped me find a 7-figure Amazon product. Here's how you can do it too. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you every tool that Smartscout currently offers. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So here's Smartscout. Discover the profitable opportunities on Amazon in minutes. Smartscout.com, pretty darn cool. And I currently have Smartscout, Helium 10, Jungle Scout, and AMZ Scout. And Smartscout is the most powerful and the most advanced in my professional opinion, right? And I'm going to show you exactly why. But if we go into the dashboard, we can see all of the tools that they offer right now. And the owner of Smartscout actually used to work at Helium 10. He left and created Smartscout. Now, before we get started, we're going to be talking about the subcategories tool right here. They have a little tutorial. We're going to open the tool and it shows you every single subcategory on Amazon right now. Not only does it show you that, but it shows you the estimated monthly revenue of the entire category, the seller revenue share, the Amazon revenue share, even the Chinese seller revenue share. And if you know Amazon, if you launch in a niche that has a lot of Chinese sellers, they're just going to come in and create fakes of your products and undercut you and ruin your brand most of the time. So it's great to have a brand that pretty much has no Chinese sellers. So you can see books, there's 0, right? But you can kind of go in 1% in grocery and gourmet food, right? So you can see baby products, a very, very low percent as well. And then you can also see Amazon. Another thing is if you're launching a product and you're trying to compete with Amazon, that's a no-go. They're going to undercut you, find your manufacturer, and then you're going to get kicked out of business. So if you can find a niche that has low Amazon, but mainly low Chinese revenue share, then you can totally dominate that niche. Now, before we get started, a good product research checklist is always important. So when you're doing a product research analysis and you want to launch a product on Amazon, a checklist is always important because you don't want to get emotional and get all excited and launch a product that sucks. You want to make sure you have a checklist, right? So we're going to be going through this checklist briefly throughout this time and just to see if we can find a good product. Now, if we were going to go into electronics, we can actually look and we can look at if we wanted to sell security and surveillance, and this is an actual category on Amazon, surveillance video equipment, surveillance NVR kits or DVR kits. I never heard of these, but you can see that Amazon, if we wanted to sell a surveillance DVR kit, we can see that right now estimated monthly revenue is 5 million. Number of brands there's only 99 brands and only the average number of sellers is only 50. So this could be a great niche to launch in. Now there is 38% of Chinese seller revenue, but I'm sure you could get around it because this is very specific. And then everybody else is mainly a regular seller. So you can really dive into these niches and then we can look into them more. But what I want to do is electronics is a little bit more difficult for me. I want to find something that people use every single day. And what I thought about is showers, right? Most people take a shower every single day, right? To stay clean. And they will pay a premium to have a really good shower, a shower filter, all this fun stuff. So we're going to dive into that and look for a 7-figure product in that area. So I'm going to go to tools and home improvement, and then we're going to go to, let's see, bathroom, kitchen and bathroom fixtures, bathtub faucets and shower heads. See, look how many categories, and then shower heads. Now, if I wanted to launch a shower head product, we've got handheld shower heads, fixed shower heads, shower head filters, shower body sprays, which I've never heard of, but shower body sprays, it's making $200,000 a month. And a lot of it's from Chinese sellers. It looks like there's not many US sellers, but it looks like there's only 6, average number of sellers is only 6. So this could be something you could look into. I don't know exactly this category, but we can look into that later. Shower head filters, if we wanted to sell a special filter. I think this one is another great category. Again, not too many Chinese sellers. Amazon, not too much. But let's do something I know, which is the fixed shower heads. So if we go into here, we can click the little search item and then go to products. Now Amazon's going to pretty much show us every single product in that subcategory. So we can see the #1 ASIN, and they're making $1 million a month right now. Their launch date was around a little bit more than a year ago. right? And they've got tons of reviews, their average rating, their buy box price, their units sold, the brand, the title. You can click on it and we can see the ASIN. And we can see right now if we wanted to sell a product like this. Now there's a lot of competitors selling this. They are making, again, a significant amount of money, around $1 million a month. But it's good to see who's the #1 competitor in this niche. And then we can go, one thing that's extremely powerful about this is the launch date. So if we filter this and we found a product that has a launch date, let's say 2 months ago, and they're making a significant amount of money, that could be a great product that we could launch, right? We want to stay up to date with the trends, up to date with the new products, and people shower every single day. And of course, if you have an amazing smart shower head that I've never heard of, and you're one of the first ones in, you could pretty much dominate the market and ride it through. Now let's look at Aqua Home. This is another #2, and this is there's a picture of it. Let's view it on Amazon. So again, this is it's a luxury filtered shower head set. So this is a great gift item. So it has a beautiful luxury. You can gift it to somebody. It doesn't look extremely luxury, but that's what they call it. And they're making a significant amount of money and selling it for $50 a piece. They're probably buying it for $5, but it's crazy to see how much money they're making. And again, around $800,000 a month. But they have too many reviews, I think 18,000 reviews. So this might be a hard niche to compete in. So I want to look at the launch date and see somebody who launched in 2024 and is making a significant amount of money. So within the last 6 or 8 months, I would say. So we can see they launched, around 7-8 months ago, 2024, and they have 2 niches right here, two products, and they're making around $500,000 a month, which is definitely a significant amount of money. So we can look at this. And again, here's a new trending product. I've never seen something like this before. And it looks like it's a dual shower head for you and your significant partner. If you're showering together, instead of having something like this where you still kind of have to, someone gets a small ass head and shower head, another one gets a big one, it's more fair. And you can both fit under it because it kind of comes to the side. You can have shower, everybody's happy, right? Very, very cool, very nice. And if we went back to the product research sheet, what we want to do is look how many competitors does this have. Now, Amazon's saying it's making $1 million a month. But let's type it in, tandem shower. And now we're going to type in how many competitors there are. So this is them right there. So there's 1 competitor. This is similar. So I'm going to count this as 2, 3. This one is not the same. So again, this is not the same. So I'm not going to count this as a competitor. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 5 competitors. 5. Only 5, which is crazy. Now you can calculate the profit margin. Is there a barrier to entry? This is when we see, is there a barrier to entry for this product? Like for supplements, baby products, you usually need some type of certification. Is it seasonal? People shower all year round? So probably not. I'm sure sales spike in December. Is it a long-term product? Does it have a patent? That's something we need to think about. Is it niche? Do you think China can come in and easily compete? Are all the sellers making $5,000 a month or more? And then we give the product a rating. And this is how it's, instead of it being, we're emotional about launching a product like this, we can be more logical about it. Now, are the competitors making, again, here's a new competitor, only 5 reviews. And this product looks kind of like shit, but they're making $28,000 a month, which is insane, right? Again, this one looks pretty close actually, and they're selling it for $149, so they're getting a lot of money out of this, and they're making $77,000 a month. This product only has 3 reviews. It looks like shit, but they're still making $25,000 a month. It's just crazy. Where's the other one? Here they are, 14. They're all making more than 5,000. Yes. And there's like no competitor. So if we can look at the rest of these when we have time and see, this could be a great product that you could sell. Now, what I would want to do if I was talking to a client is they don't have that many colors, and I don't know about the length. Like, is the length extendable? Because each shower is a little bit different, right? So it has to, like, maybe the length could be longer. I think that would be one of them. I need to look at the negative reviews. But do any of them have a shower filter, right? This one's making so much money, it's just a filter. What if we had ours and it also included the shower filter? instantly, if we put that on the front page and show that it includes the shower filter, most people that want to have a clean shower are going to buy ours compared to the competitors. Especially if we can just price ours $10 below the #1 competitor, they're going to start buying ours, right? And then we can look at the force of the water that's coming out and all that fun stuff. But this could be a great product to launch. And just from there, we see this product is pretty much a 7-figure product right here that you could potentially launch from the Smartscout Subcategories Tool from Smartscout, which is pretty awesome. And again, we can filter it by the launch date and find newer products that are launching and they're making a significant amount of money. Like we can see this one right now, $10,000 a month, and it's a product we already looked at, which is crazy. So again, they just launched less than 3 months ago, and we can kind of just see dual shower heads. Yeah. So again, that's how you find a niche product. I wouldn't have figured that out without the Smartscout product of the subcategory tree, but very awesome. With a little research and a little data and the right tools, it makes finding profitable products easy on Amazon. Of course, making sure you have a checklist like this will make sure that your product is good long-term, but it's a great item to sell. And now, since you stay towards the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you all of the tools that Jungle Scout offers. And the #1 tool, other than the smart categories that I want to mention, is going to be the Ad Spy tool. So the Ad Spy tool, pretty much no other app or application tool offers this. You can actually spy on your competitors' ads, see what keywords they're ranking for, what keywords are they running ads for, how much money are they spending on ads, and it dives even deeper. So you can pretty much take your competitor's advertising strategy, all of their keywords, and reuse it for yourself. And this is a very powerful tool that I haven't seen a lot of the other apps offering. Pretty much no other app offers it like this one does, in my professional opinion. But we can go through all of the tools now. We got the Learning, the Smartscout University, and then all of this keyword research, which is the Ad Spy, Keyword Detective, which is analyzing your competitors' keywords, Share a Voice, which is new, Search Trends new, and then a Relevancy Quadrant, focus on what matters most, which is, again, instead of it being emotional, you're being logical, and that's what these tools are coming in handy for. So again, products, find best-selling products on Amazon, AI Listing Architect, FBA Calculator, Sales Estimator, Traffic Graph, UPC Scanner. What does the traffic graph look like? I'm just gonna show you some sneak peeks into some of the keto chocolate. Let's look at this one. I don't know how long it's gonna take to load. So while that's loading, let's keep looking. Let's see, oh, there we go. 200, oh, it's gonna show us all of the ASIN and what it came out from. Atkins and all of the brands they offer. This is pretty awesome. So you can really go in. Just see how powerful this tool, I've never seen a tool like this, right? Where's Miss Buttersworth? Where's all that funny stuff? Products, top new products, and we have the Chrome extension. I haven't tried this out, it's brand new. But again, they have a Chrome extension to tell you how much the sellers are making. Then we have sellers, seller map, suppliers. Let's check out the seller map. And now we can see where most of the sellers are. We can see we got some in Miami, New York, California, of course, has a large amount of sellers. Looks like New York is where the most sellers are. Could we see what they're selling? Oh man, it shows us their seller ID, their monthly revenue, and we can see what they're offering. Crazy stuff. This is crazy stuff. Brands, brand reports, scope, brand categories is what we talked about today. Scope, my collections. It feels like almost illegal having this tool. Like I can just go in. I know what you sell. Oh, you live in New York? I found you. And you just type in their name somewhere. I'm sure there's a way to type it in and look deeper into it. Like you could find your friends. It's very funny. Or find everybody in your area, what products they're selling. I'm in Tampa, Florida. What products is everybody selling in Tampa, Florida? Do they know that I'm here and what products I'm selling? Probably. So a very powerful tool. And if you did want to try Jungle Scout out or Smartscout out, check it out in the description. In the description, there is a link. There's an affiliate link and it gives you a discount. Also with this affiliate link, love Smartscout in 7 days or your money back. So if you want to try it out and you decide that this is an awesome tool, you can just keep it. If not, you can get all of your money back in 7 days. And that's what I love about this, is you can try out all of the tools. Maybe they're not for you just yet, but you can try them out, learn about them, get your money back, and when you actually need the tools, you can pay them. to have it, but at least you can try them out early and see what Smartscout offers compared to the other competitors. So you can try it now. Then also, again, there's a discount if you use the link in the description, which is pretty awesome. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Comment below on what you learned and what you're doing on Amazon right now to conquer 2025. If you learned something new in this video, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with product launching, finding a manufacturer, or anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. This is exactly what we specialize in, and our link is also in the description for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.